Hello, travelers and history buffs. Today I'm taking you on a journey through time and space to uncover the historical gems of Singapore. Are you ready to explore the past in style? Let's dive in. First up, the iconic Raffles Hotel. This isn't just a hotel, it's a portal to the colonial era. Imagine sipping a Singapore sling where it was first created over a century ago. The architecture alone tells tales of bygone extravagance. Next, let's stroll to the battle box at Fort Canning Park. This former World War II underground command center paints a vivid picture of military strategy and secret meetings. It's literally walking into a time capsule where every corner speaks of wartime secrets and strategies. Not far from here, the bustling streets of Chinatown await. With its red and gold tones, the Thian Hock Keng Temple stands out. This temple isn't just a place of worship, it's a symbol of hope and resilience for early Chinese immigrants. Each intricate carving has a story to tell. Now let's switch gears to Little India, a vibrant enclave where the Indian community's heritage vibrates through the air. The Sri Veeramakaliamman Temple is a kaleidoscope of colors and spiritual fervor. Here, history isn't just seen, it's experienced through all senses. No historical tour of Singapore would be complete without visiting the majestic Sultan Mosque in Kampong Glam. Its massive golden domes and vast prayer hall echo the calls of a community that has thrived through centuries. It's not just a mosque, it's a beacon of Islamic culture in Singapore. For a touch of nature entwined with history, the Singapore Botanic Gardens, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is a must-visit. Beyond its lush greenery, it holds stories of botanical research that shaped the tropical landscape of this island. Now, shifting to the heart of the city, the National Museum of Singapore. This isn't just a building filled with artifacts, it's a narrative thread connecting the past to the present. Each exhibit invites you to look through the lens of time into Singapore's soul. Don't miss the chance to visit the former Supreme Court and City Hall buildings, now transformed into the National Gallery Singapore. These neoclassical buildings not only house Southeast Asian art, but also embody chapters of judicial and administrative history. Let's take a moment at the Civilian War Memorial Park. Here, the solemn atmosphere and the towering structures are a tribute to the civilian lives lost during World War II. It's a place for reflection, set against the city's modern skyline. Heading towards the river, the Asian Civilizations Museum by the Singapore River offers a treasure trove of artifacts that tell tales of trade, culture, and conquest that shaped this region. Every gallery is a doorway to another era. For a different kind of historical perspective, check out the Peranakan Museum. The Peranakan culture is a unique blend of Chinese and Malay traditions, and this museum beautifully showcases their vibrant lifestyle and artistic heritage. Lastly, end your historical journey at the Labrador Nature Reserve. It's not just about the scenic beauty. Hidden bunkers and relics from World War II lie waiting to be discovered amidst its trails. So there you have it, folks, Singapore's historical gems. Each site not only tells a story but also invites you to be a part of it. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious explorer, these places promise a journey not just across places, but through time. Remember, every step you take is a step through history. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and explore Singapore's past in style. Until next time, keep wandering and wondering.